YouTube, this is my bike check, my first bike check, and I'm doing it because I just got this new frame, Fit Wi-Fi 20.5. Yeah, alright. So the grips are Primo Simmons grips. Okay. Primo rebar, 9-inch rise, 28.5. Fit high top stem. Right here. Okay. Odyssey headset. Odyssey R25 forks. Shadow Raptor front hub. Laced to a Odyssey 7KA. Yeah. Alright. Random pegs. G-Sport Guard. Okay, Primo cranks. Odyssey pedals. Primo hollow bite pedals. And Primo sprocket. Primo bottom bracket. Yeah, Primo Shadow chain, Shadow Raptor back hub, laced to Odyssey hazard light, G-Sport plastic peg, demolition peg, Odyssey Chase Hawk 2.4 front and back, pretty cool. Fit bar stool seat, United seat post. And what else am I missing? Alright, I'll do a hub sound check, whatever, for you guys. That feels pretty loud. Yeah. It's my bike check.
Okay.